Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Google Meet on Android in 2026. Google Meet should come pre-installed on most Android devices. If it is not pre-installed, then first of all, you must ensure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, it will appear in the status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then a 4G or 5G icon should appear right next to your network status. You must also make sure that your Android version is Android 6.0 or higher. For that, head over to Settings, scroll down, hit About Phone, scroll down again, hit Software Information, and make sure that your Android version is Android 6.0 or higher. This phone's Android version is Android 16, so we're good to go. After that, what you can do is head over to your app drawer and then type in Play Store. Open up Play Store on your device. After you've opened up Play Store, head over to the search bar, and then in the search bar, search for Google Meet. Hit Go or Enter on your keyboard, and right next to Google Meet, you'll see a blue install button. Hit the install button. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account before you try to download any apps from the Google Play Store. If not, then you'll be prompted to log into your Google account with your credentials, after which you'll be able to download the apps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.